Okay, what's up everyone? The first video we talked about how to retrieve data from database, but in this videos I want to show you how to submit or create data or insert data to database that use Vue model controller in Codeigniter. So the first videos I use only table and do not have nav bars, but copy from a Bootstrap framework. So you can go to Bootstrap framework, Bootstrap, go to Bootstrap. For example, we can copy the code. Yes, I put this to look more attractive. So the first video I use only a table, not a button and navibars. So for the code, this is the navibar. I add only navibar and button for click submit to database. This is button to click to insert data to database. Button user. And this is the first video we talk about retrieve data, and loop data use for it. In this video we will talk about create user. I have column input, first name, last name, email, and it's active. For Codeigniter allow you to use a function form input equal input element in HTML. We can use like that for input. If I go to new form to insert data. The first input form is first name, second is last name, and third email, and is active. We use form input to show input element. Input element. If you inspect element, you'll see the input element like that. So we only tap on this line. For the attribute we go to the controller. Controller. For the first name we assign attribute name equal first name, ID equal first name, values name first name, and empty values. Last name also. On this section we talk about how to assign attribute to input form. Input form. Now we talk about new user function. Create user. Create user for this button. When we click on this on this button, new user, it will redirect to new user form. This is one. It will go to here. If I create by empty data, it will show an error like that because the data is do not have now. Okay, so what is the process in controller? Okay, we will talk about controller like that. Okay, we load the support I said before. Okay, load the libraries from validation first, and we set the error delimiter. Set error delimiter wise on this. Okay, if the something wrong, okay, on here, if something wrong, it will show in this point. Okay, so in this point, form validate error. When we submit, it will show mistake like that. Okay, okay, okay. For next, set the validation rule. For the validation rule, first name, last name, email, and is active. Label, and requirement. Okay, requirement. For the first name, we use min length 1, mat length 1 to 5. It means smaller than 1 to 5. Okay, and the last name also like that. Okay, okay, this is the set validation rule. Okay, if you submit the first, it will check the validation rule. Okay, and if the validation run equal fail, it will pass the attribute to the form. Okay, this is the array of attribute as in this input form. Okay, and form check. Okay, again, this is check form validation, and if fail, it will go to the new user form also. Okay, and if true, it will insert data to database. Okay, okay, get post from input form, first name, last name, email, and is active. Okay, and it will pass data to the user model. Okay, for user model we write that. Okay, function process create user. Okay, pass data to table user and insert. Okay, insert. Okay, this is form. This is the method to insert data in model. Okay, okay, again, this is load libraries and load form validation, error delimiter, and check rule. If fail, we will pass the attribute to the form create. Okay, form create. Okay, form create by the first name, last name, email, is active. Okay, okay, and if check true, will insert data to database. Okay, by model user model function. Okay, this is okay. This one pass data to the method process create user and insert data. Okay, Okay, go to the browser. I taps Daraz John Dara at gmail.com. I click yes and create. Okay, this data was insert to database. Okay. Again, I insert data John Bamba Dara at John at gmail.com. Okay, now the insert form is ready. You can follow this form. This is form create by we apply form input to this form, and we will use form submit to submit to database, and this one function new user. Okay, and this one for the method in model. Okay. I want to correct this table to look attractive. I go to view and go to view all user. I put the class name class table. So look nice. So we use bootstrap class is class table.